Hi, my name is Esthervanmaanen. I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist, and this is my beautiful blow-dry tutorial. To create this hairstyle, I need 3 products: working hairspray, amplify mousse and the indulging fluid oil. I start with parting my towel-dried hair, leaving the bottom part down. Next, I mix a few drops of indulging fluid oil with the amplify mousse and apply this evenly over the length and ends, leaving the roots free of product for now. The combination of the indulging fluid oil with the amplify mousse gives extra care and shine, but also seals any split ends. I apply the product formulation in sections onto my hair, this to make sure I apply it evenly. The amplify mousse is a lightweight mousse with a medium hold, suitable for all hair types, and a real volume booster. The amplify mousse also has heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is essential while blow drying. The mousse can also be applied directly onto your hair because of the special horizontal nozzle, leaving me the right amount of mousse, which I can easily distribute with my hands. Don't be shy using a good amount of mousse, as it will give you the hold and the volume you want. Before I start blow drying, I give my hair a quick but gentle brush. Always be gentle with wet hair, it's much more fragile. Then, if your hair is still quite wet, you might want to pre-dry it just a little. I always prefer to pre-dry a bit myself. Very helpful if you often get fatigue arms while blow drying. When all the hair is evenly formulated with product, I section my hair again and leave the bottom part down again. I take my blow dryer with the round brush add-on and I start with the first section, giving some heat along the full length first. Then I lift my roots by giving heat first and then immediately cool down with the cold shot to fix the volume. Then I gently pull my blow dryer towards the ends of my hair, roll the round brush to make the ends nice and smooth and give them a little shape. Continue at the back, make sure you give the roots a good lift each section to create volume. In between, after each section, I always like to use some working hairspray to give my roots some extra hold already. And this is how I work from the nape to the top. Apply working hairspray where needed, and then we continue to the front part. I use my hands to gently remove my hair from the round brush, using a little hairspray for some extra hold. First, I pull the front part forwards and up, then backwards, using a little hairspray for some extra hold, and then I style my hair with my hands. To finish the look, I apply just a few more drops of indulging fluid oil to soften my flyaways and of course add more shine. We like shine. Have fun creating this look yourself. Thank you for watching my beautiful blow dry tutorial.